Hello everybody, today we are going to solve some exercises. 25 plus 9. 25 in my mind and 9 on my fingers. After 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 64 minus 7. 64 in my mind and 7 on my fingers. Before 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57. 8 plus space equal 12. We will say after 8 to 12. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 4 fingers. So 8 plus 4 equal 12. Space plus 9 equal 15. We will say after 9 to 15. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 6 fingers. So 6 plus 9 equal 15. 5 plus space equal 11. After 5 to 11, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 6 fingers. So 5 plus 6 equal 11. Space plus 6 equal 14. After 6 to 14, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 8 fingers. So 8 plus 6 equal 14. 49 plus 25. 9 plus 5. 9 in my mind and 5 on my fingers. After 5, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we will write 4 and carry up 1. So 4 becomes 5. 5 in my mind and 2 on my fingers. After 5, 6, 7. 58 plus 37. 8 plus 7. 8 in my mind and 7 on my fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we will write 5 and carry up 1. So 5 becomes 6. 6 plus 3. 6 in my mind and 3 on my fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9.